Hi everyone, this is Anne. I wanted to share with you 5 beauty products that are splurge worthy. And these are all products that I have purchased for myself and I absolutely love them and believe that they are worth splurging on. And I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments beneath this video if you have any products that you believe are splurge worthy that you love, or if you've tried any of these products that I'm mentioning and how they worked for you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, I hope that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. As always, I'll go ahead and put links to all the products mentioned in this video beneath this video down in the description box, which you can get to by following these instructions. And this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share with you 5 products that I absolutely love and think are worth the money. The first product I wanted to share with you is one that I've never talked about on my channel before, and these are Tan Luxe Self-Tanning Drops. These are non-toxic, they're vegan, cruelty-free, natural tanning drops. And the really neat thing about these is you just add them to your regular body butter or body lotion and apply them. I like to apply mine at nighttime, and you only need to apply 2 to 12 drops, and the more you apply, the more bronze the tan will be. I like to just apply mine with my regular firming body lotion. I tend to avoid lotions that have alpha hydroxy in them because that does remove the surface layer of dead cells. So I just use a regular body lotion, not an alpha hydroxy lotion when I use these. I apply mine at nighttime, and for about 2 pumps of my lotion, I'll apply 2 drops for a nice light tan. When I want a darker tan, I apply 4 drops to the 2 pumps of lotion. And this is streak-free, it's a beautiful color, and when it wears off, it fades off very evenly, not patchy at all. And I would highly recommend this product. I absolutely love it. My next splurge-worthy product is one that I did a review on previously, and I'll go ahead and put that video link beneath this video as well in case you're curious to see that review. It's by Strivectin, and this is their Volumizing hand cream. I absolutely love this hand cream. I use a little bit at nighttime before bed, and then I use a little bit in the morning, and it really helps to plump the backs of the hands and fade dark spots. It adds volume, which will minimize the looks of veins on the backs of the hands. And I feel like this is a must-have product for me. I do carry one in my purse as well, and sometimes in the afternoon, if I've been washing my hands a lot, I'll go ahead and just apply a little bit more on the backs of my hands. It absorbs really well, it's non-greasy, and I noticed a huge difference in the volume of the backs of my hands after the first night I used it. So I think it's a great product and well worth the money. My next product is a retinol gel that's equivalent to prescription strength retin-a 0.05%, and this is a 5% retinol gel. It's by Truth Treatments, and I did do a review on this as well, so that will be linked beneath this video. I absolutely love this product. It has replaced my prescription retin-a. I use it once a week, and if I want a really good shed to the dead skin cells, I'll use it twice a week. It's a wonderful product. It has less irritation than retin-a, yet it's as effective as the 0.05% retin-a. I would highly recommend this on nights that I use this product. This is the only product that I use. It is moisturizing. It's kind of a gel type of product, and I don't feel like I need to add a moisturizer over it when I use this. So this will be the only product I use once a week at nighttime. And it does not dry out my skin. It helps to fade dark spots, it helps with cell turnover, and it also helps to minimize wrinkles. Next is my very favorite deep conditioning hair mask. It's by Clairon, which is a French company specializing in plant-based hair care products. This is the Mango Butter hair mask. It's a very hydrating conditioner for dry, damaged hair, which is the type of hair I have. And this does a wonderful job at hydrating the hair, helping to add moisture back into it without weighing it down or making it greasy. And I use this product about 1 to 2 times a week. I just put it on in the shower and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out. It works great and has greatly improved the condition of my hair. Another hair product that I feel is worth the splurge is by Moroccan Oil, and this is their dry texture spray. I use this every time I style my hair. I just spray a tiny bit in my hair and kind of mess up my hair. It adds a little bit of pieciness and texture to my hair without making it greasy, without drying it out. And this is just a great product. When I wear a ponytail, I even spray a little bit in my ponytail and in my bangs to just add a little bit of texture and volume to them. I absolutely love this product. I've been purchasing it for at least a year now and go through about 1 can of it each month. I love this, would highly recommend it, and I will go ahead and link my video on how I style my hair in case you're curious on how exactly I use this product. That will be linked beneath this video as well. I hope you enjoyed hearing my 5 splurge-worthy beauty products. If you guys have any that you'd recommend, please comment beneath this video, or if you've tried these, leave me a comment and share your thoughts on them. Thank you so much for watching.